Good news on the hiring front. The job market saw signs of improvement despite slower GDP growth. In cities, well, unemployment slowed in the first quarter, and that's the first time since the global financial crisis. Su Yuting has this.
A spokesman for the Ministry of Human Resources and Social Security said Friday that China's urban unemployment rate came in at 4.05% at the end of March.
From January to March, China's employed urban population grew by 3.24 million. That's 200,000 less than the same period last year. By the end of March, China's registered urban unemployment rate stood at 4.05%, lower than the 4.09% logged for the whole of 2014, and the 4.08% registered in the first quarter of last year.
China has a population of over 1.3 billion and a workforce of 900 million. The country makes the creation of jobs its top priority. Li said more measures to help create jobs should be implemented.
An executive meeting of the State Council was held on April the 21st, and a statement has been released emphasizing that due to increasing pressure on employment this year, the government must introduce more proactive policies. New policies must be drawn up to encourage people to start their own businesses and to make innovations. We will work to help people who've lost their jobs due to structural adjustments or measures to address overcapacity to find new employment. We will coordinate efforts to ensure that employment can be found for people who move from rural to urban areas to find work. And we will help vulnerable urban residents who have difficulty finding jobs and decommissioned military personnel.
There will be 7.5 million college graduates this year, a record high number adding to employment pressures. The economic slowdown has made job creation more complex and more difficult. But China is making great efforts to boost entrepreneurship and innovation to generate wealth and make the country strong. Su Yuting, CCTV, Beijing.